Are your mutual fund investments silently draining your wealth? In today's fast-paced financial world, hidden fees in mutual funds have become an ever-present threat, eroding returns and undermining trust. This investigation shines a light on the practices that leave everyday investors vulnerable. In this report, we reveal how ambiguous fees and controversial policies create a silent drain on your hard-earned money. Mutual funds may seem like a safe haven for your investments, promising growth and security. Yet beneath this veneer lurks a complex arrangement of hidden costs. Management fees, 12b-1 fees, and transaction costs are often shrouded in technical jargon and fine print. Investors are led to believe they are paying something minimal, a 2% annual fee, for instance. However, over a span of 30 years, such fees can reduce your final investment value by over 40%, costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's a quiet theft that accumulates over time. Our investigation took us deep into the murky world of mutual fund fee structures. Rapid scene changes reveal pie charts and data graphs illustrating just how pervasive this issue is. Consider the scandal of 2003, when several major mutual fund companies engaged in illegal late trading and market timing practices. Favored clients were allowed to profit at the expense of ordinary investors. This case exposed not just unethical behavior, but systemic issues that continue to haunt the industry. Investors find themselves caught in a whirlwind of misleading practices that often go unchecked. A closer look exposes a conflict of interest that runs deep. Financial advisors, compensated through commission-based schemes and revenue-sharing arrangements, may steer you toward funds with higher fees, regardless of whether these options are in your best financial interest. The result is an industry in which transparency is sacrificed for profit. Visual split screens compare low-cost investments with those riddled with hidden fees, emphasizing the stark differences. As the data unfolds before your eyes, the message is clear: the cost of ignorance is far too high. Amid fast-paced editing and dynamic visuals, the narrative shifts to an urgent tone. The evidence points to distressing statistics and real-life examples. High turnover rates in mutual funds further exacerbate the problem. They cause transaction costs and tax inefficiencies that continue to erode investor returns. Every hidden fee cut into potential gains, slowly siphoning wealth away from everyday investors. With every passing moment, your money works less for you and more for the financial institutions that profit off hidden costs. The gravity of the situation cannot be overstated. If you're an investor, you have the power to reclaim your financial future. Demand transparency. Ask tough questions about fee structures and insist on clear, straightforward disclosures. Financial empowerment begins with knowledge. Through diligent research and persistent inquiry, you can navigate this complex landscape and protect your hard-earned assets. The path to clarity begins with understanding the true cost of what you're paying and recognizing that every fee has a hidden impact on your long-term prosperity. Our investigation is more than just a report. It is a call to action against an industry that flourishes under ambiguity and deception. This documentary unearths uncomfortable truths but also provides you with tangible steps to safeguard your investments. Dive deeper into financial publications, seek trusted advisors, and scrutinize the fine print. Arm yourself with knowledge because in the world of mutual funds, clarity is your greatest ally. With these revelations in mind, the choice is clear. Demand honesty and transparency from financial professionals, and never allow ambiguous fee structures to diminish your wealth. The very integrity of your financial future depends on it. Take a stand today against practices that compromise your bottom line. Educate yourself on mutual fund fees and demand transparency to protect your investments.